The health secretary criticizes the abortion pill decision as not America. President Joe Biden's health secretary, Xavier Becerra, stated on CNN's State of the Union that we want the courts to overturn this reckless decision. Yes, we do want women to continue having access to a medicine that has a good track record of safety. This medication has been consumed by millions of women worldwide. He emphasized that women currently do have access to the abortion drug mifepristone after Donald Trump appointment federal judge Matthew Kacsmaryk in Texas postponed his Friday order for a week so that federal officials may contest it. The Food and Drug Administration, which is under the control of the Becerra-led Health and Human Services Department, approved the medication in 2000. We must win this, he urged, for the sake of America and the sake of women. According to Biden, his administration will challenge the Texas verdict. The administration had 7 days to file an appeal after Kacsmaryk's 67-page ruling. Mifepristone is one of the safest and most effective medications we have seen in the last 20 years to help women with their health care, especially abortion care, Becerra said. We intend to do everything to make sure it's available to them not just in a week, but moving forward, period. When asked if he might advise the FDA to disregard a prohibition, Becerra responded, "Everything is on the table." Following two distinct and conflicting court decisions in Texas and Washington over the legality of mifepristone, there is doubt around access to the most widely used form of abortion in the United States. Years of scientific approval were overturned by Kacsmaryk's decision imposing a hold on the government approval of mifepristone. But at around the same time, Barack Obama appointee and U.S. District Judge Thomas O. Rice issued a decision in Washington state ordering federal officials not to make any changes that might limit access to the medicine in at least 17 states where Democrats had filed lawsuits to defend availability. Becerra stated that Kacsmaryk's directive, which tries to turn upside down the entire FDA clearance process, could have grave consequences for the legality of any FDA-approved treatment, including vaccinations, insulin, or new Alzheimer's drugs coming to market. The Supreme Court, which last year reversed Roe v. Wade and restricted access to abortion nationwide, admitted a good chance that the case would be ruled in its favor in the end. What drug isn't open to some sort of legal challenge if a judge decides to substitute his preference, his personal judgment, for that of scientists and medical professionals? Thus, we must appear in court, he stated. The cabinet secretary made a reference to Kacsmaryk when she said, "What you witnessed by that one judge in that one court, in that one state, that's not America. In America, the facts are followed. America follows fair laws. America acts in a transparent manner, and we can demonstrate that our actions are motivated by the correct factors." Representative Tony Gonzalez, a Republican from Texas, spoke on CNN following Becerra and said, "It's important that we take care of women and have real discussions on women's health care, but that we should get off the abortion conversation. Abortion is simply one of many problems that women face. Let's discuss some of the other events taking place in the world."